Hello, Banners, and today I will be making my own tier list of Garden of Banban 8 characters. So starting off, we have Opila. I don't hate, I don't hate Opila, but I don't like Opila. It's just mid. Nab, same with Opila. Banban's the GOAT. Sophius, he's not known. He's mid. Oh, that's my opinion because he's a monkey. Wait, mid. Fiddle's Crew. Wait, actually, let me change this to say goats. Anyways, goats. Stinger Flynn, he's mid. Pilo Chicks, cute. Not much known. Not much known yet. She really doesn't have a backstory, but I don't like it. I don't like her. 3 birds with 1 stone. Actually, not much personality. Go. He's just my favorite character. Yeah, he'll go there. This town ain't big enough for the 2 of us. W. This is going into this one. There. I am the jester, my job's to entertain. It's going to goats. Go. I like those 2. And not much personality. They can't talk. Mid. Actually, nah, they're mid. They're cute. Ooh, mid. Not much known. Not much known about that one. Do I have to eat your pet kitty? Not much is known. Not much is known. Well, press the thing. I promise nothing bad will happen. Mid. Ew! I don't like you, monkey. Anyways, I don't like you. Y'all remind me of Play-Doh. You and your army is about to get knackered. So, you had your chance to escape my mayhem. Not much personality is known, but they're goats. Cute. A goat. Oh. Not much is known. Any balloony, goat. Oh, I mean, not much is known. Oh. Not much is known about this fat fella. Either but she's dead. This one has not been teased yet. Miss Mimicker, not much is known. Hey, it's me. Anyways, that's officially my Garden of Banban tier list. See you later, Banners.